dot. I would like to share a beautiful story of positive thinking that I read a couple of days ago. One day, a professor entered the classroom and announced a surprise test. Hearing this, all students got anxious and started thinking about what would come up in the test. The professor distributed the question paper, with the front side facing down. After handing over the papers to all the students, he asked them to turn the page and start the test. To everyone's surprise, there were no questions in the test paper. There was just a black dot in the center of the page. Everyone was startled and looked at the professor in awe. The professor told the students, "I want you to write a few lines about what you see on the paper." All the students were stupefied, but since they didn't have a choice, they started writing the answer. Once everyone was through with the test, the professor collected all the answer sheets and started reading out each answer aloud in front of the whole class. Without an exception, all the students had written about the black dot, mentioning about its position, size, etc. After reading out all the answers, the professor addressed the students and told them, "None of you will be graded on this test. I just wanted you to ponder over something. All of you wrote about the black dot. No one wrote about the white part of the paper." The same thing happens in our lives too. We all have a white paper to observe and learn from, yet we always focus on the dark spots. We have so many reasons to celebrate: our parents, coworkers, friends, good health, a satisfactory job, a child's smile, the miracles we witness every day, and so on. However, we simply limit our horizons by focusing on just the dark spots, our disappointments, our frustrations, our fears and anxieties, things that bother us, people that wronged us, etc. In our day-to-day lives, we tend to take so many good things for granted and focus our energy on insignificant like failures and disappointments. Though these dark spots are quite small as compared to the good things that we have in our lives, yet they perturb our minds and do not let us think positively. Take your eyes away from the black dots of your life. Try and focus on the brighter side of life and let positivity govern your thoughts. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for learning English fluently.